I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mehndi mix oil at home. This special oil is fantastic for enhancing your henna designs, helping them achieve a richer, darker color that truly stands out. Plus, it can significantly extend the life of your beautiful Mehndi stain, making your art last longer. Making it yourself ensures you use only the freshest, most beneficial ingredients for your skin's health and the best results. To begin, you'll need a good quality carrier oil such as olive oil or coconut oil, about 1/4 of a cup. This forms the base of your mixture. Next, gather your essential oils. Popular choices include eucalyptus, tea tree, or lavender, which add fragrance and properties. For an extra touch, consider adding a few drops of clove oil, known for its darkening properties and warm aroma. Now for the mixing. Pour about 1/4 of a cup of your chosen carrier oil into a small, clean bowl. This is your foundation. Then, carefully add 10 to 15 drops of your selected essential oils, adjusting to your preference. Stir everything together gently until it's well combined and uniform. Once mixed, transfer your homemade Mehndi oil into a small, airtight bottle for easy storage and future use. Before applying your henna, gently massage a small amount of this oil onto the skin where the design will go. This helps prepare your skin and maximize the color absorption for a vibrant stain. After use, make sure to store your Mehndi mix oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and freshness for future applications and ensure consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.